tank. So we're gonna have fruit forward, like fresh pear, white nectarine, and even preserved lemon. You're the only single diner today, so hope you guys enjoy.
Total. We're gonna have some roasted daikon. There's gonna be some poached daikon puree, and some pickled daikon as well. It's finished off with some daikon sweet juice. There's gonna be some lemon and lime oil, some fermented chili as well. Enjoy. Thank you. We're gonna have some truffle brioche here at the center. It's kind of like a hybrid bread, so it's gonna be very firm. You can just try it each on with your bread. Here we're gonna have some pawa saucisson. So pawa is the Maori word of abalone. So we made some salami with some abalone.
are called the sea snacks. And the first one is the green ball. Do you know what is the green ball? Do you like it? Yeah, it's very refreshing. Basically a baby abalone. You can keep the shell as a little souvenir if you want to. So Amisfield has the privilege to use them that young, between 9 months and 1 year old, because we do have a partnership with an aqua farm in Bluff, in the South Island. Otherwise it's illegal to use them that little. So the pawa has been sauteed in pan 20 seconds with garlic and butter. And we just put it in this sauce, which is beurre blanc sauce, made of butter, Sauvignon Blanc, olive oil, chives and lime. Drops of our Pinot Noir reduction.
want to present the winter langoustine, also known as scampi. As you can see in the bowl, we're going to find 3 different ways to make the scampi. So on the bottom we have the tail, which has been very quickly kissed under the Japanese charcoal. Like this, we have some smoky flavors, but it's still very tender inside. On the top, we're gonna find the tartar, which is made with the body, and it's just gonna finish with this broth made from the shells and the head as well. So it's gonna be warm, a bit of sweetness from the tail, and some saltiness from the broth. We're just gonna pour our crayfish bisque, also mixed with fermented chili. And I'm just gonna take everything down for you. Here we go. This.
Land snacks, very much like your sea snacks, you're onto the land portion of your evening. So what we have here is a matagauri dish. We'll spin it with rare fig vinegar. Next to that is your wild hare in its natural environment. So this leaf that you have just here is made out of Pinot Noir, raspberries, and cherries into a leather. On the inside you have a wild berry. So we've removed the bones and the tendons and filled it back up with complete duck that we've cooked in its own fat. Closed it back up and deep fried it. Second thing that we did was we gave it a pedicure. So the nails that you see, they're actually a black truffle pastry. Exposure.
It's the back of the beer.
It's the back, okay. So,
Sauce of venison jus.
然后我们会用一些 mushroom powder 和 vinegar powder，所以看起来很像羊在那个草原上跑，看起来脏脏的。然后现在我就是要 caramelize 那个 sugar。所以这个就好像一个 upside down 的 taco， 所以今天就是用手。
It's an endemic bird of New Zealand. We made the beak from our own version of chocolate. It's made from the native Haiki seed, filled with an elderflower gel, and then stuffed with duck liver ice cream.
New Zealand for a long time ago, and they are very huge and they are very important for the system of the forests. So the reason why we want to
mountain sheep. We have few growing in the Amisfield vineyards. They are growing by our owner, and they are really beautiful sheep. So we wanted to represent them. Here you're gonna find a hot bloody sauce. We made it with some beetroot syrup, elderberries puree, some fresh pastry honey. And then we come to smoke the sauce, so you will find more winter taste to it. And we choose to serve it hot to have a contrast between the ice cream and the